So the plan today is to get all the graphics I designed for fabrics actually loaded onto a site, have that site linked to my main profile page and advertised on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. And then I think I'll get designing some of the backgrounds for costumes that I've been planning this whole time. And also get those up onto probably a site. I'll have to research that, which will also be linked to the main profile page and of course advertised on those various sites too. First things first, time for some breakfast. Now I'm just building my profile here on Spoonflower in order to create a shop for all my patterns for fabrics and such. And I notice here that they have a design banner that I should do. That should be 740 pixels by 100. So I'm going to actually work on creating that now. I finally did it. All the patterns that I've created thus far are now up on Spoonflower in my shop for sale. I even entered this pattern called Popping World into their design challenge this month. Their design challenge this month is you have to create a unique pattern or a new take on a pattern that causes you to do a second look. I think this is the perfect one for that challenge. Well, it's getting late and I basically spent the entire day inside either working on my computer or doing sewing. And I'm ready for bed. So I'm going to end the vlog off here. Until next time, see ya! I worked all day on getting it to that perspective. Now to test it out. So now I'm going to bring up the test of the pattern, see how well I did. Oh wow, looks good. It's not exactly how I planned.